Sea Animals, Part 2. A seahorse. A seahorse. A seahorse is a fish. A sea lion. A sea lion. A sea lion is a marine mammal. A seal. A seal. A seal has thick fur. A sea otter. A sea otter. The sea otter is swimming. A shark. A shark. The shark is hungry. A starfish. A starfish. A starfish can't swim. A stingray. A stingray. A stingray eats clams, shrimp, and mussels. A squid. A squid. Have you ever seen a squid? A turtle. A turtle. A turtle is a reptile. A walrus. A walrus. A walrus has large tusks. A whale. A whale. A whale is the largest sea mammal.